Hello everyone, welcome to Pratha. This is Kavita Kuparkar. So today after a long time we are going to give you a quick store mannequin tour. I'm here at our Bhandarkar Road store in Pune. For those who don't know, Pratha has a physical store in Pune at this premium locality. It's just off Bhandarkar Road. It's a beautiful space. If you can just see, it's not the typical sari shop that you can think of. When you come, we welcome you in this area wherein it is a spacious nicely decorated space wherein we've displayed saris. We display different saris every 2-3 days, and everybody keeps asking about the saris that we display on the mannequin. So here we go. We are going to give you a nice mannequin tour, starting with this first sari here in this corner. You can just come ahead. This is a beautiful Kanjivaram sari. It's a traditional, authentic Kanjivaram border, Kanjivaram pallu design. If you see, a lot of people have this query that do Kanjivarams get draped nicely. So just look at how beautifully the sari is gotten draped, no fluffing up. Very, very beautiful. So it's a dupcha color. It's a green and blue dupcha. I'm just going to turn it around so you all can see the pallu design. We've just draped it differently, but I'm sure you all can view the pallu. So this is the pallu. We've just tied it up on the front. Just look at the beautiful pallu design. It has this rich deep royal blue color in its pallu and blouse. So yes, this is it. So the belt that you see here, we also have these kind of belts here at Pratha. We don't have too many of them, but if you want to club and if you want to make your drape look interesting, then you can do something like this. The price of this sari should be around 18,000 if I'm not wrong. Please WhatsApp us, take a screenshot of the sari if you like this one, WhatsApp us and we will confirm the price of this sari. Now if you see this section, just give them a glimpse of this section. If you see this section, these are different saris. Every sari has something different, something special about it. Starting with this beautiful sea green colored, aqua green colored Banarsi sari. This is a pure Katan silk, beautiful single colored Banarasi brocade, very beautifully woven. The price of this sari is 20,000. Very pretty one. Katan silk, especially Katan silk in Banarsi saris, is known for its very soft, light texture and gets draped very beautifully. So a lot of people actually prefer Banarsi Katan silks. Then we have here one more very beautiful mustard ochreish yellow colored Banarsi sari. This is again pure Katan silk, excellent quality weaving. Now this sari has this beautiful silver copper mix kind of zari, and it has meenakari on it. By meenakari we mean that the zari is enhanced with some highlights in colored silk thread. So if you can see here, there are highlights in different colored silk threads. If you like this sari, just go ahead, take a screenshot and WhatsApp to our team. The reason we don't disclose the prices in the videos is because we want you all to actually come and inquire about these saris so that we can tell you more information, and the inquiry does not stop passively just by asking the prices. Now let's move on to the next one. Now this is an absolutely gorgeous Banarsi sari. This is a Kora silk Banarsi. If you see closely, it's a beautiful Kora tissue silk. So by Kora we mean this fabric is Kora silk is more like Chanderi. So it has a little bit of transparency in it. If you see, the butta on the sari is also very different. It has resham meenakari, different colored threads. They distat kabo? Sabbe colors distat. Okay. Then this beautiful border, we have made it slightly narrow by in the pleat. So this is the border, absolutely elegant. You can see the border in the pleats here. So this sari has basically tissue. So if you see closely, it has a beautiful silver shine to it. It is a greyish, grey lavender mix, kind of a very beautiful soothing color. It's a pastel color, and that teamed up with this lovely soft pink is very pretty. So here is one of our signature pieces. This is a Kora silk Banarsi sari, and it has this beautiful pink blouse. So yes, this is the blouse. If you want to inquire about the price, please WhatsApp us. Now this is the next one, a very beautiful paitani, a nice parrot green colored paitani, and this has a very interesting set of buttas. It has two different shapes of butta along the sari. It has peacock butta as well as query butta highlighted with beautiful silk threads. This is the border. It's a single colored sari, and it has this lovely highlight towards the end of its border. very pretty one. This saree is priced around 26,000 I think, but you can confirm it with our WhatsApp team. Now I'm moving on to the next one. This is another section of mannequins. Now starting with this gorgeous Sinduri red colored Gadwal, a very beautiful pure silk handloom Gadwal saree. It has no other color, it's a single colored saree, no typical borders. If you see, it has these beautiful koiri motifs, paisley motifs towards the border. Absolutely beautiful butta through the saree. This butta is also very delicate. It is in golden and silver zari, and just look at this royal pallu. So yes, this is a very beautiful Gadwal. The price of this Gadwal is 25,200. So it's not that I'm not telling prices, I am telling prices of a few of the sarees. Now let's move on to this beauty here. This is again a pure Katan silk brocade saree. It is a stunning blue color with this beautiful highlight, magenta highlight towards the end of its border. Absolutely gorgeous. It has a plain blue colored blouse with this border. This belt is something that we have added. It does not come along with the saree. If you want, you can buy it separately. And just look at how stunningly the saree gets draped, right? It's a beautiful one. If you want to see more photos, videos of these sarees, you can just go ahead, tell our WhatsApp team. They can send you photos of the pallu or pleats or whatever you want to see. Moving on to our last saree of this video is this beautiful signature paithani. This is a pure handloom Yeola paithani without any machine, motor. Just look at this saree. So it's a soft shade of pink with this very pretty pure handloom pallu design with colorful parrots in it. Now if you see, this is the back side of the pallu. There are absolutely no threads. So that shows that it is a pure handloom saree without any electric help. So this is it. Just look at the saree closely. It has these beautifully delicately woven checks along the saree checks. This very delicate munia border, and if you see closely, munia border also has a very delicate temple design. So small things add to the effort that is involved while making these sarees. So that is the reason I would like to point them out. So yes, this is it. This is our stunning signature paithani. I hope it's visible ekda fakta hi side purna dakhwshi. So yes, this is it. It's a beautiful shade of pink. It's not fuchsia. I wouldn't call this fuchsia. It's a nice fresh pink. So this was our mannequin tour. I hope you all enjoyed watching. This is the lobby, the entrance of our store on Bhandarkar Road. You are most welcome to come and visit the store. We have a huge variety in traditional sarees, office wear sarees, gifting range sarees, many varieties that you will get to see here. Thank you. Do watch.